I've never had to be in a situation like that with the jobs. There might not be opportunity here if I say no. That's why you probably say yes to a lot of things that you don't necessarily want to do, is because you don't want to close the door to opportunity.
Saying no sucks. Can't do it. It's hard.
It's hard to, you don't want to disappoint these people and shoot yourself in the foot for a future opportunity. At the end of the day, it kind of comes down to, you got to look out for number one a little bit yourself. Be focused on your purpose and your mission, and if it doesn't align with your purpose, then don't do it. Because there's no point in doing something that's going to sidetrack you from what it is that you want to achieve.
Yeah.